Hello, dancers. I hope you're having a great week. Today, we're by the ocean because we're going to practice our hip mobility. As you know, the secret for Latin dance, it's all in the hips. You don't want your legs to be too wide, it makes it hard and awkward. It's a little bit closer, feels more natural. So we're going to start going side to side. Remember, the whole idea is to think of your pelvis like a boat in the ocean. So you can swing side to side. Notice how my knees are bent, and I'm just shifting my weight from side to side. You can also do front and back, and now you can also make figure eights. To create the figure eight, we're going to pretend like our sacrum is the stick. So it's going to go up and to the side, bring it back around, up and to the side, bring it down around. You're going to continue this movement drawing with your pelvis. It's like a little eight or an infinity sign. So we're going to go to the side and back, to the side and back. And one, two, three. Excellent. Try adding some of these hip mobility exercises to your next dance, and you'll see how you get a little bit more flavor. Let me show you how it looks when we do a little bit of bachata with this extra hip mobility. So we can do step together, step and click, step together, step and click, step together, step and click, step together, step, click. Notice how different it is when you use your hip as opposed to just stepping. See? Same steps, but it looks so much different once you add that hip. Nice. It works for all Latin dances. Here's a little example with some salsa. Here's salsa without the hips. You're just stepping front and back. Now salsa with a little bit more hip. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and now 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and now 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here's a little demonstration with some cha-cha. First without the hip. Kind of feels more like an exercise than a dance. But once you add a little hip, feels a little better, feels more comfortable. It's all in the hips. Yeah. All right, dancers. See you next week.
Maybe don't put the stick there.
Well, maybe not. How's my framing here? Can you see me well? All right. Hello. All right, dancers. I'll see you next week. All right, dancers. See you next week. Wait, let me do one more. All right, dancers. See you next week. Perfect.